Hey, how y'all doing? Toad here. Well, we got to take a quick look at the hive. Well, what I got there is that's a little water dish I made to make sure that they kept a good spot to have water nearby. That's just a pie pan with some rocks in it. Gives them a place to stand. But here's the hive, and it's a little early morning, so they might be a little grumpy. But I got to get this done today, so we're going to take a quick look. This is, I guess I'm about 3 weeks into this colony, and what we're hoping for is just that it's starting to grow, because there hasn't been a whole lot of action. Yeah, there's the girls. So we're just going to take a look at what everybody's doing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're building off of there. It looks like they've got some. That looked like brood right there. Oh, that's a little heavier. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, that's brood. Excellent. Excellent. I'm going to close this up because they're going to get real grumpy on me. But you can see they're in those 4. They're not quite into there yet. They're bouncing off me. I'm going to leave them alone. But they're in these 4 pretty decent. The main thing is I'm getting ready to go out of town here, and I wanted to make sure I didn't need to put another super on top of there. They're not growing fast enough where I have to worry about that. They'll be fine until I get back. But a little quiet. Like I said, it's very, very early in the morning. So they got a little grumpy with me for bothering them. But so the hive's about, it's about half full. I get a feeling when that brood there, that all starts to hatch out, this will fill up quick. But I got plenty of time to get my trip done and get back. All right, well, there's a hive update. Fair winds, y'all. We'll see you next time around.